Hi guys, and welcome back for a new Q&DI video from my side. And as you notice, the surrounding today is different than usually because my camera's in the center of my washing machine, and I think this is already a cool shot, but this is not my picture idea because I like to take a picture of this lovely metal wheel inside because I think the optic is very cool, the structure is very cool, and also if you use different lights and colors it will be very cool looking in the end. Yes, I know your washing machine will look different than my one, but I think the result will be also very cool. So let's go. Here you will find my complete materials I used, and below you will find my camera settings as always, and my setup was also very simple because I used only my camera with my fisheye lens, and additionally I used also my base lens 12 to 40 millimeters, and I zoomed in a bit, and I used also the complete range of my aperture. I opened it and I closed it, and yeah, there I get different effects, but I think this is already known. And my light was only 2 RGB panels like this here, and the cool thing is the back side is magnetic and you can put it here somewhere and it will stay, and you can arrange your light and make cool pictures. And really that's all. So I wish you a lot of fun with it, and we'll see us in my next tutorial. Ciao!